Alright, what's up guys? What's today, Dad? Today's Friday. It's Friday. We're up in Homosassa Crystal River area, specifically Ozello, for my grandma's fishing tournament. For those of you who don't know, my grandma died of a rare form of cancer called Cholangiocarcinoma a couple good years back, and we do a fishing tournament in honor and in memory of my grandma. We raise money for the type of cancer that she had. Lots of fun. Family gets together, have a big fish cookout, catch fish, cook fish, the whole 9 yards. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me this whole weekend. Tomorrow is the start of the tournament. Today's just kind of a hangout day for everybody. So I'm gonna go upload one of the videos to YouTube right now, and then I'll bring you guys along with me.
We're going to start at daylight, safe daylight, and we're going to fish till 1 o'clock. About 8,000 or 9,000, 2 hospice in the 6 years. Yeah. And we're hoping to jump over 10 grand this year. We will jump over 10 grand this year for sure.
Good morning guys, it is about 6:30 on Saturday morning. I'm headed to Mr. Charlie's house for the tournament. That's who I'm fishing with, because the boat I was supposed to be captaining is out of order completely. So I'm headed over there. He lives in Homosassa. We're on the Ozello Trail. It's about a half-hour drive. We're hopefully gonna catch lots of fish today. I got the GoPro, I got my phone, but boy, it is chilly out here this morning. Right now, the temperature on the truck says 59 degrees, and for Florida, that is cold as crap. I mean, I hope it doesn't screw up the fish bite. I mean, I'm sure the hurricane already has. Exterior temperature, 59. That's gonna be cold on the boat, baby. Woo! I'm ready to film it. Probably not gonna get a ton of footage because it's my first time filming while fishing, and I haven't really found the balance between them yet, but you guys will get to see a lot of today, so see you on the boat. So I've made it to Mr. Charlie's, put the boat in the water, fixing to head out. Wish us luck today, because this hurricane might mess us up. What you got?
Puffer. No, I'm not touching him. I'm not touching him.
What are you doing?
Got redfish and we didn't get skunked, technically, so it's an okay day, I guess. Super windy. We're fixing to head back in and go to the fish weigh-in. So see you guys in a little bit. can't tell, I am at the Ozello Civic Center. This is a civic center here in Ozello. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is where we do all our raffling and tell who won the fishing tournament. We do all our fish frying here. We eat here. It's a ton of fun. We have lots of surprises inside for raffles. A couple big raffles that are $5 a ticket, and some other raffles that are $1 a ticket. So I'm gonna bring you guys inside and show you what we got. Now I'm headed out back to show you guys our setup for all our cooking and stuff like that.
Let everybody know who won and all that good stuff. Trina's working on a tally, so I think we did real good on the money again, so we'll get that going. We're gonna start with the I Had a Bad Day award. It wasn't real hard. We had a young lady fall on the boat and step on the hook, and we think she's okay, but I think she's happy her baby's got to go fishing. Rhonda Durant got the I Had a Bad Day award. Give her a hand. She had a rough one. Again, Scott Croft finished third. First time though, so his first time here, he finished third. John Hardy actually finished second though. John Hardy finished second. Hey boy. He finished second the first year, and I think he fished where him and Poppy fished that year, and Dad finished first and he finished second, but Blake finally won. Blake Poppy. You do something like this, you got 20% of the people doing 80% of the work. Well, we have a young lady that by herself does probably most of the work. McCara texted her earlier in the week, or 2 weeks ago, and asked her what we needed to get. And I think Trina sent back 4 or 5 texts. Boom, 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 boom. McCara's like, we don't need to get anything. It's already done. So we wanted to do something for her. It's nothing real crazy, but we got her. Trina, come up, please. Y'all give her a hand, please. If we had a Team Noni Hall of Fame, she'd be the first member. Her mother-in-law's name and mom's name on it. And we know you ain't a bling bling girl, but we got you a little bit of bling bling.
What's the number again?
539.
Guys, we've had an awesome night. After everything, all the fundraising, all our raffle tickets, entries in the tournament, stuff like that, we raised over $5,000 for hospice. But I want to show you guys what I got for raffle tickets real quick. You guys can see I got this Twisted Outdoors hat. Been wanting one of those for a while. This is a free t-shirt coupon that I'm going to be able to order whatever I want. And this is one of the hats that I'm probably going to give away to one of my friends. So after all that, we need to go clean up right now. So I'm going to head back inside really quick, get the rest of the fish cleaned up, And we'll be headed out to kind of have a little party time tonight, so it'll be lots of fun. What you see, bro? What you see? You got a new friend? You got a new friend? Go meet him. You can't tell from that video that just played. We had fun last night. Just family getting together, hanging out, playing some songs on the guitar, just having a good time. I'm sure a lot of you guys hang out with your family. It's a beautiful thing when family gets together, it really is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those post notifications while you're already there. Post notifications will just help you know whenever I post. Just a simple little thing that'll help you keep up with my videos, keep you updated and stuff like that. I'm gonna go rest before we start on Cat's Pond this week. I'll be doing an update video. We're getting our rock shipped in tomorrow. Anyways, we're getting our rock shipped in tomorrow on a big semi truck. It'll be there at 7 a.m. So I have to be in Auburndale at 7. So I'll see you guys in the next video.